For example, do your laptop get hang? If yes, then don't worry. I will show you 5 tricks to make your computer run fast. So let's begin. Start button. Type person temp and person and press enter. See, these are the all temporary files. These all are unwanted files. So delete it all. Alt all, shift and delete. It will permanently delete from your system. Press yes to continue. Open a run command. Press Ctrl plus R if run command will be pop up. Type temp. These are also a temporary file, so select all and delete it. Again press Ctrl Window R and type prefetch prefix and hit enter. These are also a temporary file, so delete all. Ctrl all and shift delete. Again press Window and R. Type recent. These are the recent tasks we have done. So shift, Ctrl and delete. Okay. Number 1, we have all delete temporary files, corrupt files and so on. Number 2, disable the startup program. To delete startup program, press Ctrl Alt and delete. This pop-up will show. Go to the task manager. Go to the startup and disable this all. These are the apps which is run behind our platform. When we turn on the laptop, the application will run behind the platform, so it will make a performance bit late. Number 3, let's clean our drive. Go to the computer, right click to the C drive, go to the properties and click to disk cleanup. It will clean our hard disks. Tick all the dialog box and press OK. It will clean our hard disks. Do same to other drives also. Number 4, uninstall the unwanted software, a software which is not used by you. Go to uninstall the software, go to the control panel, click to uninstall program. To uninstall the application, just right click and do uninstall. Click to uninstall. Number 5, disable the updates. To disable the updates, go to the search bar and type service service and hit enter. Search for a window update. Right click, double click to the window update, start up type, keep disable and press OK. Okay, thank you.